Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. How are you all? Fine. Very good. I hope you all are well. Okay. Now today I am going to start the new lesson, that is lesson number 20, drop by drop. Okay. So first of all, Madhu lives in Bajju, a small village in Rajasthan. It is hardly a village. All you see is sand all around. One can see some houses when the sand does not blow. So here Madhu lives in Bajju. And where is Bajju? It is situated in Rajasthan, and as you all know that Rajasthan is a desert area. Okay, so there is very little water. Understood? There is, you can see only sand. Okay, वहाँ पर sand ज़्यादा होती है. Okay, one can see the houses when the sand does not blow. अगर आपको वहाँ पर हाउसेस कब दिखेंगे? जब वहाँ पर सैंड ब्लो नहीं होगी. इफ़ देर इज़ द सैंड blowing in the air, then you cannot see the houses, right? Now everyone in Madhu's family is upset. Every summer there is water scarcity in his place. This year it is worse. It did not rain at all. His mother and sister have to walk a longer distance to fetch water as the nearby pond has also dried. Each day they spend hours just to get 4 pots of water. While walking on the hot sand, their feet burn and blisters just cannot be avoided. Now what happened? In Madhu's family, everyone was very upset. Why? Because in every summer what happened? There is a water scarcity. Scarcity means less quantity of water. So they were suffering, okay, from scarcity of water. Understood? And that's why what happened, that year was very worse. मीन वो जो ईयर था वो बहुत ही उनके लिए ख़राब था. क्यों ख़राब था? बिकॉज देर वॉज वेरी लेस रेनफॉल, एंड ड्यू टू लेस रेनफॉल what happened that they cannot get the enough quantity of water. That's why his mother means Madhu's mother and sister have to walk to longer distance to fetch water. Okay, and the pond was also dry. वहाँ पर जो ponds थे मीन्स तालाब थे वो भी ड्राई हो गए थे ड्यू टू द लेस रेनफॉल. वहाँ पर बारिश बिल्कुल भी कम मतलब बहुत ही कम बारिश हुई थी. तो इसलिए क्या हुआ था, गर्मी की वजह से जो ponds थे वो भी ड्राई हो गए थे. ओके, सो दे हैव टू walk longer distance on barefoot. Okay, that's why what happened, they spend hours just to get 4 pots of water. They are walking and get 4 pots of water only. Long distances they are going. While walking on the hot sand, their feet burn and blisters just cannot be avoided. उनके फीट में क्या हो जाता था? ब्लिस्टर्स और बर्न हो जाते थे, राइट? Now here you can see the picture. Okay, in Rajasthan means in desert area there is very less water. That's why people means women of Rajasthan, they have to walk longer distance to get water. Okay, you can see this. Now when the train carrying water comes, they are very happy. Madhu's father goes to fetch water in his camel cart, but this does not happen often. People keep waiting days and days for water. Then what happened? When the water tank comes, then the people were very happy. Why they were very happy? Because they can get water and they don't have to go to fill water. Means they don't have to walk फ्रॉम लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा चलना नहीं पड़ेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके घर पे वाटर टैंक आया है एंड दे कैन फील वाटर. दैट्स वाई दे वर वेरी हैप्पी. ओके, एंड Madhu's father goes to fetch water in his camel cart. Madhu's फादर मीन्स मधु के जो पापा थे वो क्या कर रहे थे? कैमल कार्ट में पानी भर के लाते थे. But this does not happen often. People keep waiting days and days for water. See, every day there is no water tank. Okay, it is not coming daily. Water tank रोज रोज नहीं आता था. Okay, that's why when the water is enough, when the quantity of water is very less for using, then the woman have to walk long distances to fill water and to take water. Okay, then some people collect rainwater. This is done by a special method by making tanks. Tanks means tanka. Do you know what a tanka is and how it is built? See, the picture is given to you in your textbook. You can see that some people collect rainwater. When it is raining, at the time what happen, the people are collecting this water of rain, and this is done by the special method. And what is that method? The method is by making tanks. The people make tanks, and in that tanks they collect the rainwater. Okay, see, one roof is given. Okay, one building is there, it is having roof, and then pipe is joined with it. Okay, and underground tank, it is made underground. Underground means जमीन के अंदर जो बनाया जाता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Underground. So that is a underground tank, and it has a lid also. So what happen when it is raining? At that time, this water of rain goes into this underground tank, and when this tank is full of water, then we can cover it with the help of lid. जब वो टैंक पानी से भर जाती है तब क्या करते हैं? हम उसे लीड की हेल्प से कवर कर लेते हैं. Okay, why we should cover? Because any dust or any insect, whatever it is there, they cannot enter this water or they cannot impure the water. वो पानी को प्योर रखता है, कोई भी impurity अंदर enter नहीं होगी. That's why we should cover it with the help of lid. Okay, so in this way we should make a tank, and we should store the rainwater, and we should collect it, so that when there is scarcity of water, means there is no rain, there is less rain, at that time we can use this रेन वाटर. जब भी वहाँ पे बारिश नहीं होती, अदरवाइज़ कम बारिश होती है, पानी ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, तब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ये जो टैंक बनाया है उसमें हमने जो पानी स्टोर किया है बारिश का, वो पानी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, now to build a tanka, a pit is dug in the courtyard and it is made pakka. The tanka is kept covered with a lid. The roof of the house is made sloping so that the rainwater collected here flows through a pipe into the tanka. A sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe so that no dirt goes into the tanka. This water is used for drinking after it is clean. As I have told you that this tank is built. Okay, a pit is, first of all, pit is dug in the courtyard, and then it is made pakka with the help of cement. And sand is also used to make it pakka, right? And then this tank is kept covered with a lid. As I told that with the help of lid we should cover that tank. And the roof of the house is made sloping. Why the roof is sloping? Because when there is rain, there is having rain in that area, at the time what happened, the water of the rain can be collected and it flows off through the pipe and it slide off easily from the roof. वो रूफ अगर स्लोपिंग रूफ होगा तो क्या होगा? उसमें से पानी जल्दी से easily slide off होगा. Okay, and it will goes into the pipe, and from this pipe it will enter to the tank, and then this tank will fill with water. Then a sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe, and one sieve is there. What is the meaning of sieve? चरनी हम जो बोलते हैं ना, उसे क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? sieve. So that was a sieve attached to the mouth of the pipe so that the impurities cannot enter the water, or any type of dirt or dust particles cannot enter to this water. That's why what happened, we should keep a sieve to the mouth of the pipe. Okay, and this water is used for drinking after it is clean. First of all, though there is a sieve attached to the mouth of the pipe, then also we should clean that water and then we should drink it. Okay, उसे clean करके ही उसके बाद हमें पानी पीने के लिए use करना है. Understood everyone? Okay, now think what are the difficulties people face due to scarcity of water. Here you have to think that which type of difficulties which we are facing due to the scarcity of water. अगर पानी कम होता है तो कौन सी difficulties हमें होती है. Okay, so first one is that from where do the people in Mado's village fetch for drinking? In Mado's village, people get water far off from the river. Okay, they have to walk to long distances. Okay, उनको long distances तक चलना होता है, and then they will get the river. Okay, so from long distances they have to walk on barefoot on hot sand, and then they will go to the river and then they get the water. So this problem is very big problem. Okay, and the people are facing in this desert area, for example Rajasthan. Okay, next, who fetches water in Madhu's house? So the answer is Madhu's mother and sister. They both were fetches water. Okay, then water collected in the tanka is mostly used for drinking. Why the water is used for drinking only, that is collected in the tank? When we collect the rainwater in the tank, we use it for drinking only because it is clean water. Okay, and sieve is attached to the pipe. Okay, and we are cleaning that water and we use that water for drinking. Now, is rainwater collected in your house as well? If yes, how? If you are collecting this rainwater in your house, then you have to write yes. Okay, otherwise no. And if you are collecting, then how you are collecting, that you have to write down here. ओके, आप लोग रेन वाटर को अगर कलेक्ट करते हो तो येस लिखना है, और अगर करते हो तो कैसे करते हो, दैट यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, आई थिंक अप टिल यू हैव अंडरस्टूड वेरी नाइसली. ओके, नाउ next one, just like Madhu, Sonal also faces water scarcity in her house. She lives in Bhavnagar. Water is supplied only for half an hour in a day. All the people of area depend only on a single tap. Can you imagine what happens? So here, just like Madhu, Sonal was also facing the scarcity of water in her house, right? And she lives in Bhavnagar, okay, in the desert area. So as I told that there is no too much water, okay, and water is supplied only for half an hour, and in half an hour we have to collect water, we have to fill the water, and in that area what happened? No, only Sonal was not there, but all the people were there. सिर्फ सोनल ही वहाँ पर नहीं थी, दूसरे लोग भी थे, उनको भी पानी भरना था. ओके, सो ऑल पीपल हैव टू fill water during this half an hour. Okay, so all the people of that area depend on only a single tap. There is a single tap, okay, and all are dependent on this tap only, and water is supplied only for half an hour. So this is a very big problem, and they have to face this problem. So Sonal is also facing this water scarcity in her area. Understood? Now Sonal is determined to take water from the tap. Whenever she gets a chance, she fills her bucket even if it is just drop by drop. Okay, what Sonal is doing, when the water is there, if it is drop by drop, then also she put her bucket under the tap. Okay, and by drop the bucket will fill. अगर टैप में से पानी ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप भी आता है तब भी सोनल क्या करती है, उसकी जो बकेट है वो टैप के नीचे रख देती है, राइट, एंड देन दिस बकेट विल fill drop by drop. Okay, now one activity is there. You can see 4 pictures are given to you. These activities you have to do activities as shown in the picture and write answers in the boxes. See first picture, how many drops will fill a spoon? ये स्पून को फिल करने के लिए वाटर के कितने ड्रॉप्स चाहिए? सो आंसर इज 7. सेकेंड, हाउ मैनी स्पून्स विल फिल अ बाउल? आंसर इज 50 स्पून्स विल फिल अ बाउल. ओके, थर्ड वन, हाउ मैनी बाउल्स विल फिल अ मग? Answer is 10. Okay, 10 bowls of water will fill a mug. Now the last one is, how many mugs will fill a bucket? Answer is 20. 20 mugs of water will fill a bucket. Okay, so you have to write down these answers in the given box. Okay, now just think, if a tap leaks even drop by drop, how much water would be wasted? These pictures show you something similar. See, here one picture is given to you and it shows that how we are wasting the water. Look at the first picture. The tap is not working, okay, and water is leaking from it, drop by drop. यहाँ पे टैप अच्छे से वर्क नहीं कर रहा है और उसमें से पानी लीक हो रहा है. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वाटर इज वेस्टेड. द सेकेंड पिक्चर, अ बॉय इज ब्रशिंग हिज टीथ एंड द टैप इज ओपन, सो द वाटर इज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम द टैप unnecessarily. Okay, in this way also water is wasting. Okay, यहाँ पे जो बच्चा है वो क्या कर रहा है, ब्रश कर रहा है और ब्रश करते करते उसका टैप ओपन है तो उसमें से पानी जा रहा है. तो इसी तरह से भी पानी क्या हो रहा है, लीक हो रहा है, सॉरी, वेस्ट हो रहा है. ओके, सो वी शुड नॉट दिस. इफ द टैप इज नॉट वर्किंग, ओके, वी शुड रिपेयर इट. एंड वाइल हैविंग बाथिंग और वाइल हैविंग मतलब जो भी हम करते हैं एक्टिविटी, वाइल ब्रशिंग अवर टीथ, एट द टाइम ऑल्सो वी शुड क्लोज द टैप. ओके, वी शुड नॉट ओपन इट, अदरवाइज व्हाट हैपन, वी हैव टू फेस द problems, we have to face the scarcity of water, right? Now here, can you think of ways of saving water? Write your suggestions below. Here some space is given to you. You have to write down the suggestions that how can we save water. Okay, so first one, don't leave tap open. We should not leave the tap open while we are brushing our teeth or while doing any type of activity. Then check leakage. Okay, if the water is leaking from the tap, then we should repair the tap. Then don't spoil water unnecessarily. We should not spoil water. If whatever quantity is required to us, okay, that quantity only we should take. Okay, for example, what we are doing that we want half glass of water for drinking and we are filling full glass of water, then what we are doing, we are drinking half glass water and then other half glass of water we are throwing it. Okay, in this way we spoil the water. So we should not waste water or spoil water, right? Then recycle water. Okay, first we have used water. For example, for washing clothes, when your mama is washing clothes, at the time that water of washing clothes we should recycle. हाउ कैन वी रिसाइकल, वी शुड यूज़ टू फ्लश द टॉयलेट. ओके, टॉयलेट को क्लीन करने के लिए वो वाटर हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी शुड रिसाइकल वाटर. देन अवॉइड वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर. वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट वाटर, एज आई हैव टोल्ड दैट whatever quantity is required to us for doing any type of activity, only that type of quantity we should take. Okay, then don't take bath in running water. Okay, we should fill bucket first of all and then close the tap and then we should take bath. Don't take bath in running water. For example, shower, right? With the help of shower we are bathing. So what happened that the shower is on open, okay, and the water is flowing from it and we are taking bath in this running water. So we should not do this. In this way we are wasting water. ये जो शावर बाथ हम लेते हैं उसमें क्या होता है कि पानी का फ्लो होता है और उसमें से बहुत ज़्यादा पानी वेस्ट होता है. दैट्स वाई वी शुड अवॉइड टू टेक शावर बाथ. यूज़ द बकेट इंस्टेड ऑफ शावर, राइट? Then here 3 pictures are given to you in your textbook. Look at the first picture that a woman is having 2 pots of water. Okay, and in the second picture she kept 1 pot of water for drinking and from with the help of water another pot it has, okay, with water. So that water it is using for bathing. Okay, 1 pot of water she has kept for drinking and the another pot of water she is using for bathing. उसके पास 2 pot water था, right? उसमें से 1 पॉट पानी उसने पीने के लिए रखा है और दूसरे पॉट में जो पानी था उसका यूज़ कैसे कर रही है? फॉर बाथिंग. एंड यू कैन सी 1 vessel is there under the cot. She has kept 1 vessel to collect the water of bathing under the cot. कॉट के नीचे एक वेसल रखा है बाथिंग का पानी कलेक्ट करने के लिए. And look at the third picture, that water of vessel which she has collected of bathing she is using to bath the cow. काउ को bath करने के लिए वो यूज़ कर रही है. Okay, so this is an example of recycle water, means reuse water. In this way we can reuse water and we should do this. Okay, now draw lines using draw lines using different colors to show which work will be done after the other so that the same water can be reused. One example has been given. So here some points are given to you, some suggestions are given to you, and in that activity reusing water is given. Means one example has been given, you have to see that. See, first one is washing fruits and vegetables. Okay, when we are washing fruits and vegetables, at the time that water can be reused to water the plants. वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स को हम जब वॉश करते हैं तो वो वॉश किया हुआ पानी कहाँ पर यूज़ कर सकते हैं? टू वाटर द प्लांट्स को पानी पिलाने के लिए, राइट? Now washing hands and face. When we are washing our hands and face, at a time we should reuse that water to mop the floor. Okay, पोछा लगाने के लिए वो पानी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So you have to put arrow in this way as I have given in the textbook, right? Then washing clothes. When your mother is washing clothes, then the water of this reuse water by washing clothes. This water can be used to flush the toilet, means to clean the toilet, right? So here after washing clothes, that water can be reused to flush the toilet or to clean the toilet. So in this way we can reuse water, and these are the suggestions to reuse water. Okay, and people use these methods only under conditions when there is a scarcity of water. What happens when there is a scarcity of water? Means there is less quantity of water. At the time only people reuse water, and they are doing this type of work. But remember that if there is water scarcity is there or not, we should save water. Okay, so सो इफ़ देर इज़ स्कैसिटी ऑफ वाटर और नॉट, अगर स्कैसिटी है या नहीं है, फिर भी हमें क्या करना है, वी शुड सेव वाटर. Okay, and we should reuse water. If we will do this type of work, then only we can save water. Okay, so here our lesson has been completed, and I hope that you understood this chapter very nicely. Okay, and if anyone is having any query, then you can ask me. Okay, so stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz everyone. Take care of your health, and one more thing, that keep your CW complete as well as textual exercise. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone.